Okay.
This is the hardware provided for the headrest installation. So first we're going to need to get this bracket here, and we're going to be using these two screws, the shorter ones, with this hex wrench. So what you want to do is get the screw here and just start it by hand. Get it in as far as possible. Get a nice little tight. So now you got the both of them installed. You want to just give it a nice little quarter turn if possible, right there. So those are nice and tight. Now we're going to use the headrest itself, and you want to have this flush to this part here. So we're going to use these two screws here with the same hex wrench. So what you want to do is just drop it in place and a nice little turn. Get the next one in, find its place. So they're both in. Now you want to tighten it. Just give it a nice turn until you feel it snug, and then give it a nice little quarter turn there. We'll go to the next one. So do that. A nice little quarter turn. So there it is. Now it's time to install it onto the chair itself. We'll be using these screws here with this hex wrench onto the top slots here. So what you want to do now is the removal of the grip bar pad. We'll take that. Now you have your holes exposed there, and these will be lined up to the holes on towards the outer end. So now you want to get the smaller screw here, sit on the top, try and find the threading, don't force it. We'll line it up before we tighten it. So the next screw over here, so you want to balance it out here, make it flush towards the back, and we will start to tighten this. So we'll just tighten it, and then when we get it down, it'll even itself out. You'll feel it go back once it's snug. Go to this side and do the same. You'll feel it get tight. Give it a quarter turn so you don't strip the bolts. Go back to this one. So here we're continuing to, if you need to adjust the height of the backrest or headrest, you're going to need to loosen up this bolt here, and don't forget to loosen up this one as well. It's one for each side, so now it's going to travel up and down. So find a desired position. We'll go there. And now we're going to tighten this up again. So you get the hex wrench in there. Go clockwise. Now we're going to go to this side and give it a nice little turn, and that completes the adjustment of the headrest.